I'm at 70.
So we're still to the left, aren't we? There we go. More power. See how we're slowing?
Yeah.
Keep that nose down. Keep that nose down. Nose, your pitches for airspeed. Power's
Monroe
down.
traffic, Skyhawk 923 is on the 45 for left down, 1, 2, 3, Monroe.
Now bring that left rudder in to straighten it out. Keep holding the right aileron in there to keep it straight. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Now hold right aileron because it's going to
Air traffic 85 Juliet, 1.5 miles.
Right aileron to the right. All right. Now keep that left rudder in.
Skyhawk 706 Delta Alpha,
Keep the nose down.
Yeah.
That's okay. We got plenty of time.
Loud and clear.
Oh, man.
Just keep the nose down.
Man, oh, man.
There you go. You've got to keep your hand on the throttle. Right rudder, a little bit too high up. Let it come down. Now back. That's not bad at all for that wind. All right.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 706 Delta Alpha, taxiing on Alpha to runway 2 tree, Monroe.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 923 left down, 1, 2, 3,
Did it again. Mississippi.
So what about 75? That'll allow for the gust.
Okay.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 923 left down, 1, 2, 3, Monroe.
Now bring just a little bit of power back in, a couple hundred RPM, just a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And just hold that on until we touch down. Be patient. Just wait for it. There you go. Left rudder. Now power off. All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Go.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 706 Delta.
We're 75.
Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 706 Delta Alpha, left crosswind 2 tree will be exiting the pattern to the east, Monroe.
All right, go around.
Okay.
Go around. Go. Carpet in. Keep that nose down so it doesn't get too slow with those flaps on. We've got to work the flaps off. Keep the nose down. Push. There you go. Now start working your flaps off.
One
the other way. Little sinks you got to hold. There you go. A little bit at a time. Monroe traffic, Skyhawk 8815 Zulu is going around. 23 Monroe, staying in the pattern. All right, 4 flaps off.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
There you go. Now get the rest of your flaps off.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
Your landing was fine. It was perfect. I hated to mess you up, but I want you to practice what happens. It's going to pitch up like that.
I guess I didn't realize I could do all of it at once, the whole throttle.
Oh, yeah. See, the airport to yourself because everybody else is scared. Pitch looks perfect. Everything looks good. I wouldn't touch a thing. Total little right aileron in there to keep it over, and then a little bit of left rudder, a little bit smaller. Keep that nose down. Don't let the nose come up when you turn. There you go. Yeah, just settle down with it. Keep it straight with your feet. Be patient.
Under traffic, Skyhawk 706 Delta Alpha is 8 miles to the east, 3,000 feet, maneuvering over the 601 highway, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Cessna 2600 Lima, 8 miles to the southeast at 2000, inbound for landing, runway 23.
All right, go. So you almost had it right, and then it caught a gust right there at the end. You see that picture around?
Did I recover all right?
You did. The only thing is when it finally hit that second time, you let the nose go forward for a second. That's when the nose will pop down. Try it. It's hard not to relax once it touches down because you want to get on the ground so badly.
Yeah.
But try to keep that same pitch where it's hold that nose off. See what you meant. All right, leave your flaps right where they are at 20.
Okay, why?
So you can practice with 20 and see if it makes any difference in gusty winds.
Okay. Is less flaps supposed to be helpful in gusty
Well,
winds?
you have to fly a bit faster with less flaps.
Oh, and the fast helps.
So that may...
Monroe traffic, Cessna 2600 Lima, turn left face, runway 23.
You still want to be about 70, 75.
Okay.
And just keep that nose down until we get there. There we go.
Way, that is a gust.
Touch your left rudder. And pull, hold, wait, patience. Ah!
How about that?
All right, see if you hit the brakes, get off right here. Crosswind landing and stopped at Alpha 4.
How
That's
about
impressive.
that?
If we get stopped, that is, of course.
Yeah, buddy. Ooh.
Here's the deal. It may have been the wind just quit on us. Whatever. We don't care. We take credit. We're still coming down, right? We're too low. So bring power in. What you want to do is you want to get it back to what looks normal, and then you can bring the power back to where it was when you're coming down. Because the wind just blew us out. And you want to keep that nose down. We're in the 60-mile-an-hour range. We want to be in about 70 to 75. So you may have to go almost full power to get it to the runway. And then once you get here, now bring it power back. Now it's just a normal landing. You went back up a couple hundred feet.
Oh, shoot, sorry.
It's okay. Bring your power back. Come on.
I have enough.
Yeah. Once it starts going, once it gets to the point, then bring that power back to 17.
Okay.
There you go. Now you got plenty of time. A little bit of power back in. A little bit, not quite that much. Nose down, nose down, nose down. Now start your flare. There you go. A little just a little bit late on that. And it hit like this, right?
Yeah, I felt that. Whoa.
Car Pete.
Okay. Ready?
Perfect picture, perfect picture. So we kind of mosey over toward the center line. We got plenty of time, plenty of runway. B1RD going overhead.
This headwind's a trip.
Right now, a little, there you go. Left rudder, perfect, perfect. Hold that right aileron to keep it from coming over the left. Power, a little bit of power in, a little bit of power. Just a little bit, hold it right there. And just wait on it, wait on it. You got plenty of time. Wait on it. Right rudder, left rudder, left rudder, left rudder. Left rudder. There you go. Now look at that windsock. Look how bad it is, see?
I don't want to look away from the runway. I believe you.
Well, keep it on the runway. If you go look on the runway, then keep it there.
Monroe Airport. Automated weather observation 1613 Zulu. Wind 250 at 14. Peak gusts 18.
Monroe traffic 8815 Zulu, turning final for runway 23 Monroe. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Oh, I'm high, sorry.
With that kind of a headwind, you won't have any problem getting down.
Whoa, whoa. Hey there, buddy. Hey. Yeah, buddy.
See?
Woo!
I didn't say a word.
Thank you for trusting me.
I didn't touch anything.
Ready? Ready to roll?
Go. Of course, keep my heart up.
So traffic 6 Delta Alpha, left base runway 23
left
for
rudder,
touch
left
and go,
rudder.
Monroe.
There you go. There you go. It's okay. Hang on to it. Hang on to it. Nice. You're going down to Alpha 3.
Okay. Didn't want to get too braggadocious that I could make that one.